Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the laptop and dongle so the rest goes smoothly. Inspect the USB port and plug the dongle into the correct socket. Use a short adapter if needed. Once inserted, make sure the laptop is powered and network adapters are visible in Device Manager or Network Settings. You do this because an incorrect port or hidden adapter causes driver confusion. Finally, have the driver file or internet access ready. That reduces setup time and prevents repeated retries. Once the dongle is recognized, install drivers so hardware becomes operational. Run the vendor setup or use the operating system's prompt to locate the bundled driver. Accept permissions and restart if asked. After drivers load, open the network list, pick your SSID, and enter the password, or press WPS on the router if supported. Make sure to set the network profile to private on a home network so sharing works. This sequence ensures stable connection and proper security settings. You finish by confirming functionality and addressing common failures. Check signal bars and run a speed test to verify throughput. Note if roaming or interference reduces performance. If you see dropouts, update the dongle driver, try another USB port, or use a powered hub to address power draw. And if nothing connects, reboot the router and laptop, disable VPN or firewall temporarily, and inspect router MAC filtering. This approach narrows the fault quickly and gets you back online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.